Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Learn an ideas, knowledge and have fun. Please like and subscribe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice way.
Part 3. Installation of smart glass wall panels.
You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Handling or moving the smart glass panel takes extra care as these materials are sensitive. Don't touch the side where the frosted film is embedded.
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm
Moving the smart glass wall panels are most challenging part, as there are no other options to access from the ground floor to the first floor of the pavilion. Staircase and lift area are not possible. Needs a boom lift machine direct lifting to the first floor and then manually shifting inside the pavilion.
anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Yeah, class now, go now, Serenity. Yeah, go there, go up, all people. No sounds?
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Tempered glass with inner side frosted film.
Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Accessories for installation of smart glass panels such as U-channel, screws, wirings with complete low voltage electronic devices, and channel profile with cover to conceal the wirings. Before installation, lay out and check the dimensions of the wall opening that fits the glass wall panels considering the plumbness for both vertical and horizontal sides, must be 90 degrees angle at all corners. Lay out and mark the center line of the bottom part of the U-channel profile that can be aligned to the upper part, considering the plumbness and alignments for both sides. Upon installation of smart glass wall panels, the frosted film must be on the inner side of the room. After installation of smart glass panels, with the alignments and plumbness checked, connect all wirings with electronic low-voltage devices to the embedded connection of the inner side of glass panel, then cover with the channel profile to conceal the wirings. Smart glass panels, switchable privacy, switches glass. From transparent to opaque, with the flip of a switch. Creating a dynamic space that can be either open or private within a matter of seconds. Prior installation of wooden doors, be sure carpet tiles, 60 by 60 centimeters, must be completed at all doors area. Prior installation of door frames, ensure the clear dimensions of both width and height of structural openings are more than the outer clear dimensions of the door frames, at least 5 mm gap for each side, if sub-frame not applicable, for alignment purposes. After checking both vertical and horizontal dimensions, then proceed installation of the door frames considering the alignments for both vertical and horizontal sides.
Slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
After the door frames installed, proceed installation of smart wooden doors, considering alignments and equal gaps for both sides.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
All gaps between walls and door frames will be filled with spray PU foam after the smart wooden doors installation, considering the alignments for both sides.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 low, you still go, go slow, you still go, there's no hope, you still go, I never answer, no, man, I still go.
Okay. This is the emergency card. Okay. Keep it safe. Reset card, delete everything that you made. You need all cards. Important, huh? The important. Yeah, just important to keep it safe. So this is program card. Each person gets 2 cards. Program card, keep it safe. Each person gets 2 cards. 1 card you give it to the person. The other card you keep it safe. If you lose this 1 card, then you can use the other backup card to delete this card that was lost. Program is very easy. Program card, approach, was red, green, flash again. Now 1 card, big piece. Second card, done. Now, I keep this safe. For armor, 2 cards. One card I keep safe, one card I keep armor. Yeah, and now if I use armor card.
Okay, now lock.
Now it goes locked.
Okay, open.
Look.
Yeah.
I write on this card armor.
Yeah.
So I know.
Okay, sir. Now it's already, we already make
For me, 2 cards. For you, 2 cards.
yeah. So I have 2 cards and 2 cards for Martin. Now the door is already programmed and already locked. So we can lock now. You see? Open now. Open. Okay. Yeah. Now open. Now lock. Okay. Now lock. So now it's set. So you can proceed to tell Althea that this room is already secured. So nobody will come in there. Only me and Martin. And the code not working. Only the card now. Yeah.
EO59 is called EO59 because Rapla, Estonia, where we're sitting right now, is 59.0000 degrees latitude north. It's one of the only GPS coordinates on the globe of a town that doesn't have a decimal place after the number. Radar on spaceships. It was actually one of the first Earth observation techniques in history in the 1960s. And what they need to do is see through the clouds. On a cloudy day like today, how can you observe what's happening, right, with an optical spaceship? You can't. Well, if you take a radar system and glue it to a satellite, then you can actually observe the whole planet's motion in a day, and you can see what's happening underneath it. Well, if you take those images and you stack them on top of each other, you can see how much something moves. Just a few months ago, many Americans will remember the tragedy in Surfside, Florida, where Champlain Tower South collapsed. EO59 was contracted to help support the US government in determining how safe the surrounding buildings were and potentially determining the cause of failure of that structure, and our data was critical to that community in assessing that situation. Data that we delivered from Estonia and Italy and the United States in a global effort to support America in a time of great. What was it that made Estonia so special? Well, it could have been the fact that there's no corporate income taxes. It could have been the fact that you can register a business in 3 minutes, or that I could do my taxes in 10 seconds by pressing next 5 times, but that wasn't it. The reason I decided to stay in Estonia and do business here is because I love it here, and because it loves me, and because that love is the thing that carries any business forward. Small businesses are a nightmare. They're hard. Anybody who owns their own company knows that the whole entire thing is driven by love. You start a company because you're passionate about it, because you care about it. And Estonia is a place that gives you that back 100-fold. You just give to it 1 little ounce of love and you're gonna get 10 times back. I've met every sitting president in this country since I've been here, either at a cafe or at a conference, every prime minister. The government of Estonia always asks me, what can we do to help you? I don't have to reach out to it, it reaches out to me. And they come back with that help. So if you are trying to find that innovative edge, all you have to do is look at what it is that makes you you, and you can find a path to making a business that is more than just profits. Because after all, if the only thing that your company makes is profit, then that's a pretty poor business. America was like 30 years after it was born. Imagine a place that has the energy and the will to actually accomplish anything that it can dream up. And that's the one thing that we're searching for. The one thing that Estonia has that's so gosh darn special is that thing inside of all of us as Americans that cries out to us, hey, change the world. Well, you can do it here. Here is where you can change the world.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.